Check the time, it's 10 to 4. You better join the line, you better ask for more. You make your choices, you don't need to be told. I ain't digging for oil, you ain't digging for gold. It's possibilities, not insecurities. Societies, abilities, but he who frees up his mind to find the wind that blows through the cherry trees. Can you feel the breeze? Don't wanna be recognized, don't wanna be famous. Just trying to get the word out, word that we can change it. Elimination of education leads to fucked up nations. That's how the problems that they're facing. Don't define my beliefs with any of your ism. You put me in a box, ain't gonna follow your decision. Gonna get down, gonna do what we do. Gonna say to you, you and you ain't no excuse. You ain't no excuse. You ain't no excuse not to seek the truth.
My philosophy is possibly changeable, rearrangeable into goals that are easily attainable. Change the world with my logic that's
Unassailable.
then whatever's cost effective and readily available. Now you're fitted with the white collar news
And a pocket full of trips.
living in a
Zombie apocalypse.
So tell me why you do what they tell you, cause they can buy and sell you and
They won't give a shit if it kills you.
And if you wanna see how fast things can change,
Put the politicians on the minimum wage.
put that in your noise holding token. I'm not the dumb smart guy that broke it.
If the tigers
Sleeping, don't poke it. When no one left to screw over, just go home and choke it.
Cause my eyes are wide open and I finally see the truth.
But what does that mean to you? You and you
Ain't
no
excuse.
You
Ain't
no
excuse.
You
Ain't
no
excuse not to seek the truth. Take a look around, what do I see? No one, nobody, but nothing but me. Gotta make it out of this suburban decay. Cause it's nightmare in summer that I don't wanna stay.
And now you don't understand that the land was
on the plan.
To fake the man so that I can make money and
Make a little more.
buy a new car, keep up with next door.
Market volatility, do I really care? It means nothing to me. And you know we won't scare when your engines tread level from orange to red. You better watch what's happening and not what's being said.
Deception for election, you don't care what remains. We provide the iron while they provide the chains.
Thought your hands locked down so you couldn't break through, but now we're coming for you.
You and you.
You
Ain't
no excuse. You
Ain't
no excuse. You
Ain't
no
excuse.
not to seek the truth. You
Ain't
no
excuse.
you
Ain't
no
excuse.
you
Ain't
no
excuse.
not to seek the truth. You gotta seek the truth. There's no an alternative budget message for the country.